Okay, we're going to mount a Platycerium superbum. You're going to need your plant, pair of scissors, fishing line. Fishing line comes with the kit, the Fern factory board kit. What I like to do, I like to find the center of the board and go 5 holes up on the mesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where I cut a diamond going 4 lengths over, 3 to 4. I cut a diamond out of the center. Then I cut the mesh out of the board. I go approximately a ½ inch shorter than the mesh. This too I cut a diamond shape. Then I take my fingers and I like to push it in anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches all the way around, clearing the mix out completely. I take the board, I find the top of it. When you buy a plant from me, you have a label saying top here. This is the top of the board, this is the top of the board here. Turn the plant upside down, shake it. I like to remove all the loose soil around the bottom, the roots, and drop it back in the hole. Then once again, I push that off to the side inside the hole. I take the board, putting on the plant on a slight angle into the hole, making sure it's flat and a little bit pushed down. Dust off a layer of the dirt. Take approximately 1.5 to 2 feet of line. I make a simple knot as close to the shield frond as possible. That way when the plant grows over, it'll cover up the fishing line and the line will be virtually invisible. I hold up the newest leaf, tucking the fishing line underneath it. This is pushing down on it, keeping it flat against the burlap or the palm fiber. Then just by tucking in between the fibers, I make a loop and I do the same thing back, making a simple V. Usually this is good enough, but if for some reason your plant is bent up or you got a large bubble on it, you can always go one more time. And you can go back over the top of the new leaf to hold it firmly down. So when the next leaf grows out, it stays flat against the board. Then I tie it off with the same simple knot. Cut it off, dust it off, and I like to tap it firmly on the ground 2 to 3 times, making sure all the soil is firm around the bottom. And there you go, Platycerium superbum mounted.